नमस्कार दोस्तों, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है आई थिंक इसके बारे में सप्रू साहब, विवेक, प्रिया, जितने भी यहाँ महानुभाव बैठे हैं उन्होंने बता ही दिया कि व्हाट अमेजिंग वर्क यू पीपल आर डूइंग। अपने काम से छोड़ के इस काम में जुड़ना, इसमें बहुत बड़ा करेज चाहिए और एक बहुत बड़ा सेंस ऑफ सेक्रीफाइस चाहिए और एक अवेयरनेस चाहिए जो प्राय लोगों में नहीं होती है। बट विवेक, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू फॉर वर्किंग कंटिन्यूसली फॉर 15 years ऑन दिस, फैंटास्टिक। एंड मेरे को लगता है लाइफ इज अबाउट करेज, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट हैबिट। हैबिट का मोहताज हो जाए तो फिर करेज कहाँ चला गया लाइफ में। कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपको कमज़ोर महसूस कराए, और ख़ासकर सिगरेट जैसी चीज़, तो फिर आप मतलब एक कमज़ोर इंसान हैं। इसके मोहताज नहीं है कि आप आदत के मोहताज नहीं है, तंबाकू की बात नहीं है। इट्स बेसिकली यू आर ए वीक मैन, एंड टू make yourself believe that you're a weak man, you can't leave smoking. That means the weakest person is you. Kirk Douglas, Michael Douglas के फादर थे, उन्होंने बड़ा अच्छा एक तरीका सोचा था सिगरेट छोड़ने का। उनकी बायोग्राफी में पढ़ी थी जब मैंने when I was a out of work actor in Mumbai. So that incident gave me a great courage. So Kirk Douglas ने सिगरेट छोड़ दी और वो एक सिगरेट शर्ट की ऊपर की जेब में रखते थे, और जब उनको तलब होती थी तो वो सिगरेट निकालते थे और उसको देखते थे और उसको बोलते थे यू स्ट्रांग मी स्ट्रांग, मी स्ट्रांग, एंड यूज्ड टू पुट इट बैक। मैंने लाइफ की बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस को ऐसे डील किया है, चाहे वो फेलियर है, चाहे वो रुकावटें हैं, चाहे वो हेयर लॉस है। Me strong, you strong, me strong. Anything, but Varna, to come to this city, I came to this city on 3rd of June 1981. I'll be completing 37 years in another 2 days' time. This city can make you feel small and can give you a lot of heen bhavna, but this city also has a great, large heart. So that to deal with every single moment, every single situation, your dad was the first person I worked with in Aguman. आपको मैं आपके घर पे आया था, दत्त साहब को मैंने, I have to share this incident with you. मैं, मेरी जो लैंडलेडी थी वो धोबन थी बैंड्रा ईस्ट में, और हम 4 लोग एक छोटे से कमरे में रहते थे साथ में, और किचन में वो धोबन और उसके 3 बच्चे रहते थे। और जब मैंने अपना एड्रेस मकान मालकिन को बोला कि मुझे अपना एड्रेस दो, तो जब उन्होंने मुझे एड्रेस लिख के दिया और मैंने पढ़ा तो मैं मन ही मन में मुस्कुराया और फिर जोर जोर से हंसने लगा। मेरा एड्रेस पता क्या था? 2/15 अनुपम खेर, 2/15 खेरवाड़ी, खेर नगर, खेर रोड, बैंड्रा ईस्ट। तो मुझे लगा मुझे दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं रोक सकती है। उसके बाद मैंने दत्त साहब को एक चिट्ठी लिखी थी पालील के एड्रेस पे, रजिस्टर्ड एडी करके। तो रजिस्टर्ड एडी पे ऐसा सिखाया गया था कि जिसको आप चिट्ठी लिखते हैं वही हासिल करता है, उसको ही साइन करने पड़ते हैं। तो मैंने कहा रजिस्टर्ड एडी लिख देता हूं। अब तो दत्त साहब मेरी खुद, और 4 पेज की चिट्ठी लिखी कि कैसे मैं नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा का गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हूं, मैंने इतने प्लेस किए हैं। और रोज उस चिट्ठी के 2-3 दिन बाद मैं अपने घर के बाहर पोस्ट ऑफिस में मतलब घर के बाहर पोस्टमैन का इंतजार करता था। चिट्ठी नहीं आई क्योंकि उनके ऑफिस में फिर जब मैं दत्त साहब को पहली बार मिला अजंता में, तो मैंने दत्त साहब को एक किस्सा बताया। तो मैंने कहा दत्त साहब, मैंने आपको चिट्ठी लिखी थी रजिस्टर्ड एडी, आपने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया। कहते मुझे कम से कम 500 रजिस्टर्ड एडीज रोज आती हैं। बट ही सेड लाइफ इज अबाउट करेज। सो सिगरेट कैन मेक यू फील स्मॉल। This is the most, so you should make the person who smokes that you are the weakest person. Not that you will die. Of course he will die or she will die of cancer in any case or something like that. That's a separate issue. But to be weak and cigarette making you weak is, it's very sad. And as far as this LGBT community, I must share with you that there's a very big festival that happens called Kashish LGBT International Film Festival. The 3 top prizes are instituted by me for the last 5 years. The best film, the best actor, and the best short film. Yes. So, you are much more courageous than any one of us sitting here. To be able to say that whether I should go to a male doctor or male patient should come to and sort of say that, I think that needs more courage. बाकी तो जो इन्होंने campaign बनाए थे आज was phenomenal campaigns. Girls who got the best first prize and second run-up, all the posters. To basically, I want to say, live life. Don't sort of get mohtaj. My brother is a cancer survivor. I remember that when they were taking, he is closest to me. These human stories sometimes work better for, I'm sure somewhere or the other, everybody is affected by it. I remember that when they were taking him for removal of his urinary bladder in Leelavati Hospital, and I was horrified. Means I'm very close to him. And they were taking him into the lift to take him to the operation theater. He turned around almost in cinematically and he looked at me in a high speed kind of a thing and he did this to me. He was going for the removal of bladder and he did this to me. I thought that was the most courageous thing for my brother to do that. So, Cancer Patient Aid Association, sir, apart from wearing a brilliant suit today, the kind of work that you are doing is hats off to you. मैं बहुत कम लोगों के पैर पढ़ता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है फिल्मों में पैर पढ़ना बहुत है मगर मैं आपके पैर पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. Wonderful. Wonderful. He's been doing such amazing work for the last so many years. Thankless to convince everybody कि आप आओ, please हमारे साथ कुछ करो, please हम fan चाहते. And the kind of work that Saab did. Unbelievable contribution, quiet contribution of everybody, which can be seen for years to come after many years. Thank you very much. I'm very proud to be associated with this afternoon. Thank you. Thank you.
Members of the Bollywood are doing. A lot of them are declining, and the best way is to lead by example, and that's what Mr. Oberoi has done. He's recently declined, if I'm not wrong, around 2 crore worth of endorsement deal from a pan masala company, which is a big thing. कई लोग ये भी करते हैं कि ले लिया और फिर इसे ही donate कर दिया, but he chose not to do it, not to do it. Thank you, Vivek.
Well, to add to this, we've always looked up, I have especially, I'm talking about myself, that looked up at, what Vivek has been doing, what Mr. Sapru has been doing, and I've always been saying that बहुत कम लड़के रह गए हैं जो हम सिंगल लड़कियों को मिल सकते हैं और जो रह गए हैं वो विवेक जैसे हैं जो no tobacco, no nothing, and now they're married and have kids and stuff like that. So we need some more guys like Vivek so that we also have good guys, good-looking guys, and doing really well and an inspiration. So, I always have said this, and this is again, this remains. Adding to we have been actually pushing few seniors to not promote tobacco, and इसके पहले कि मैं आगे जाऊँ मैं एक छोटी सी कहानी बताना चाहती हूँ. I sat in the flight where I don't want to mention his name right now, but I will mention his name. He's a huge singer, very big singer, and very, very precious to our industry and everyone. And I saw him, he was in 2D or something. I entered the flight and I looked at him, he smiled at me, and I said, I'm not going to sit next to you. And he said, why? I said, look at your mouth. How can you do this to yourself? And he had gutka in his mouth and everything. He actually, I was like, you are a fabulous singer. I'm not going to sit next to you. And actually changed the seat and sat somewhere else. And the same person I met after 2.5 months, again I saw him in the flight and I said, I'm not sitting. And he said, I'm going to come and sit. This is an insult. I said, this is an insult to your own self that you do this. You stink. I'm not going to sit next to you. And just 4 months back, I met him in a party, and he said, are you going to talk to me? And I looked at his face, his teeth were all white. He was tobacco free. And he said, Neetu, can I just thank you for this? Because the day you pinpointed me, I felt so insulted. Nobody has ever done this. And he's tobacco free. I just produced a film where I requested him to do a song, and he sang for us. And he said, I feel 10 years lighter and younger and everything. And his name is Hariharan. And I was so proud of the fact that he did this. And if you're listening to it or you will listen to it, thank you so much for doing this. You were an inspiration.
Thank you for sharing that story. Talking about singing, we have, as a taking forward of this initiative as a fundraiser, we have a concert tomorrow where, of course, we have Neha performing. Neha is a renowned singer we all know. And of course, Jag Ghumia, jo recent inka hit Gana has been doing rounds everywhere. She'll be performing tomorrow with Divya Kumar and Farhan Akhtar. Unfortunately, Divya and Farhan could not join us today, but we would love to thank Neha for supporting the cause. I would request Mr. Vivek Oberoi and Neetu Chandra to come up and thank and felicitate Neha Bhasin for supporting the cause. Art is a great form to support any social cause, and of course with her music, she's right here talking against tobacco.
Yeah, I think सब काफी कुछ बोल चुके हैं. तो yeah, I was going to fall in.
सब काफी कुछ बोल चुके हैं, आप गा सकती हैं.
हाँ, तो बस गाने से पहले I just say one thing कि जब डॉक्टर ने बोला कि there are people who lose their voice, तो मेरा तो दिल इतनी जोर से धड़क रहा था. ऐसे मैं अपनी जिंदगी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकती अपनी आवाज़ के बिना, क्योंकि मैंने अपने जीवन में एक ही चीज़ पाई है, समझी है, और वो है मेरी सिंगिंग. और इस वजह से मैंने कभी स्मोकिंग नहीं करी. तो मुझे बहुत अजीब सा लगता है जब मैं सिंगर्स को स्मोक करते हुए देखती हूँ. मुझे बहुत मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि इतनी बड़ी गिफ्ट, इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट जब भगवान आपको देता है, आप उसे कैसे मिसयूज कर सकते हो. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि जो लोग जिनको दुख हैं या जो विलेजेस में रहते हैं, बट जो हम प्रिविलेज लोग हैं, जो जिनके पास सब कुछ है, हमें नशे की क्या ज़रूरत है. गेट हेल्प, डू मेडिटेशन. उसमें भी एफर्ट लगता है और स्मोकिंग में भी एफर्ट लगता है. सो जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ एंड बी गुड टू योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज ये जीवन हम सबको रेंट में मिला है, एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ऑन दैट नोट, आई विल सिंग अ सॉन्ग.
An ace musician who's been supporting CPA and its cause from last 10 years, very renowned drummer of our country who's played, always so humble, always ready for anything good. And ladies and gentlemen, we've heard everyone and we are waiting to hear it from the man himself who's been a brand ambassador to the cause of CPA from last 16 years. Not only this cause, he's been associated with multiple associations for supporting them, for doing great in society, in our country. Let's hear it from Mr. Vivek Oberoi. Everyone.
I think 16 years, incredible journey, and it's always funny क्योंकि जब भी यहाँ आता हूँ कोई भी CPA के function में, तो मिस्टर सप्रू, मिसेस सप्रू, अनीता एंड द एंटायर टीम वो हमेशा मुझे थैंक करते हैं. थैंक यू विवेक, थैंक यू आप शूटिंग छोड़ के आए, थैंक यू आप कहीं दूर थे, कहीं से फ्लाई करके आ गए हमारे फंक्शन के लिए, हमारे फंड रेजर्स के लिए. और हमेशा रिवर्स होता है क्योंकि पिछले 15-16 सालों से मैं हमेशा इन्हें थैंक करता हूँ और इनकी लंबे जीवन के लिए दुआएं मांगता हूँ, बिकॉज दे ब्रॉट मी इनटू अ फैमिली दैट आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ, CPA. And this family has changed my life. Being a brand ambassador is just a title, but through CPA, the good things, जो अच्छे काम, जो अच्छे कर्म हैं, जो अच्छे पुण्य हैं, वो जो मैंने कमाए हैं through CPA, through this amazing platform, तो मैं सप्रू साहब को, CPA की पूरी टीम को, फाउंडर्स को वैसे भी एक गुरु समान मानता हूँ. I believe that their blessings are behind all the success as a human being that I experience in the world. So firstly, thank you, Sapru Saab. Thank you to the whole team of CPA for being my family. Thank you. Being a brand ambassador, I think the most important job that I have to do is thank everybody, every one of these incredible heroes that are here today. कुछ चले गए हैं, but कुछ अभी भी मंच पे हैं, so I want to acknowledge them. Jack, my new brother and partner in this incredible endeavor, welcome to India, and you know, we got your back, man. Whatever you need, we're here for you, and we'd love to collaborate with you and take this global. I already work with an incredible organization in America called Children Across Borders. I'm now flying to the UK the end of next month to do another fundraiser in the UK. So it's already happening, and you got to be our man, the man, right? So thank you for being a part of the CPA family now, right? Thank you, Jack. And welcome to the family. Dr. Saab, Pasricha Saab is a friend of my father's, so I'm used to calling him uncle. He's literally seen me since I was in my half chaddies. You know, he's incredible man. मैं तो 15-16 साल से हर function में आ रहा हूँ, but he's been there consistently, even while he was serving, even after retirement. कोई function नहीं है जहाँ पे हम उनको बुलाते हैं और वो नहीं आते हैं. And he's always there. तो हमें लगता है कि बड़ों का आशीर्वाद जो होता है हर function के लिए, you know, you are one of those to us कि आपका आशीर्वाद है तो हमारे functions successful होते हैं. The beautiful and amazing Neetu Chandra, who's just been an incredible inspiration, who's been so supportive for so many years, year after year after year. I remember first time when you came for our functions, and then now she's just become really a part of the CPA family. And she came in with a personal tragedy, but has converted that into so much positivity and has become such an amazing bearer of this message to fight cancer, to fight tobacco, and create awareness. And I love her methods. I mean, this insult wala मामला तो बहुत बढ़िया है. पंगा ये है कि you know, any one of us do it, हमको तो चपेट पड़ जाएगी. खूबसूरत लड़की can do anything and get away with it, नहीं? But I love the formula all the same. And we definitely are going to start looking for a nice changa munda, pipa munda who doesn't smoke. Swayamvar, ठीक है, नीतू का स्वयंवर with a non-smoker. And we'll do a havan like this only for you, right? Darshan, are you single, by the way? Okay, just checking. See, I'm already on the job. Okay, so thank you, Neetu, as always. Neha, thank you for being here. This is not the first time you're doing this for us. You've done this for us many times before. It's incredible that people like you use your talent, your voice, not only to spread the message, but also to come out there and inspire the youth. यार साल भर हमारे volunteers काम करते हैं और फिर जो ये concert होता है और जिस concert में जो मस्ती होती है, the way they feel rewarded, encouraged, you can't even imagine it. I mean, you can't imagine tomorrow how in the audience the reaction is when you sing and when they dance. And you know, it's amazing because I feel कि वो एक सेना है, वो हमारी एक army है जो किसी को हम acknowledge नहीं कर पाते हैं individually. But they work so hard throughout the year with complete commitment and nothing but just love for CPA. So thank you for the concert tomorrow, the fundraiser, as well as entertaining our volunteers. And we're happy that you're continuing to be a part of this journey with us. Dr. Chaturvedi, thank you so much. My first experience, all because of this lady who never comes on stage. Come here on stage. Come here on stage. Come here, Anita. Come here. She's always behind the scenes. I have to always drag her onto the stage. See, today we are matching also, pink and pink. All because of Anita.
Congrats for doing such a fantastic show. You are the backbone of CPA.
So yeah, Dr. Saab, many years ago, Anita took me to Tata Memorial Hospital to meet the kids, and we did a Rose Day. And after that day, I mean, that was the first year of my career also, 16 years ago. And all because of Anita Peter and that experience, because of CPA, meeting those children. And these were children, 5 साल के बच्चे, 7 साल के बच्चे, 8 साल के बच्चे आपके pediatric wing में, जो कैंसर से जूझ रहे हैं, किसी के बाल गिर गए हैं, किसी की आंखें लाल हो गई हैं. And I was looking at them and I learned 2 things that day. मतलब पहली चीज मैंने ये सीखी कि मेरी जो प्रॉब्लम्स मैं प्रॉब्लम समझता हूँ वो कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर ये 5-7 साल के बच्चे को जो भी आप कहें ऊपर वाला यूनिवर्स, however you want to refer to it, कैंसर जैसी समस्या दे सकता है, to fight इतनी बड़ी ऑब्स्टिकल दे सकता है, तो मेरी लाइफ की ऑब्स्टिकल्स, if I even call them that, if I call them problems, I'm insulting life. right? So it made me stronger. But the second thing I realized was that this incredible blessing that हमको ऊपर वाले ने बख्शा है कि हम बच्चों से जाके मिलते हैं, वो अपनी पीड़ा भूलकर मुस्कुराने लग जाते हैं. उनको खुशी होती है, विवेक भैया आप मिलने आए, आप हमारे लिए टॉयज लेके आए, आप हमारे साथ बात करने आए. And that changed my life. और उस दिन से मेरे बर्थडे पे मैं पिछले 16 सालों से बिना I don't throw some big filmy party, I don't blow up money here and there. I instead have a birthday party with the CPA kids, and हमारे पास 300-400 जितने बच्चे होते हैं वो fighting cancer, some of them are survivors, और वो जब मिलते हैं ना इतना मजा आता है. और चाहे वो फिल्म दिखाएं उनको हम एड लैब्स में, चाहे उनके लिए हम एक मैजिक शो रखें, चाहे हम उनके लिए दूसरी एंटरटेनमेंट करें, they love it. और उनके लिए वो इतना मजेदार दिन होता है. And to me, I feel that's the best way of celebrating my birthday. So thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you to Tata Memorial. When I met Ratan Tata ji also, I told him the same thing. I mean, that's an institution I salute. Even in the Nagpur Cancer Institute, where I'm a part of that, I'm on the board there as an advisor. And there also, at the opening, Ratan Tata ji was there. And there also, Tata has come in and contributed. So what a great organization you belong to, and thank you for being our partner for so many years. Kaul Saab, last but in no way the least, I think real hero. अभी जिसको कहते हैं ना rapid action, कि दिल से कोई सोचता है. अभी हम बातें कर रहे थे कि गाँव में ज़रूरी है to reach into the villages. और जैसे आप गाँव की बात करने लगे तो कौल साहब ने मुझे एडवाइस किया कि यार हमारे 5,500 ब्रांच है और बहुत सारे रूरल एरियाज में हैं, आप उनके साथ क्यों नहीं जुड़ लेते हैं, एंड वी विल यूज दैट नेटवर्क टू रीच द विलेजेस. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी, दिस इज द कमिटमेंट, दिस इज द अमेजिंग मैजिक ऑफ दिस CPA family and all these amazing people that have supported us. This year is his hat-trick, so another round of applause for him. 3 years in a row they have supported. This is Bank of Baroda, okay? Yes sir, this year's BOB is hat-trick with us. Thank you so much. But on a personal note, एक और चीज जो मुझे अभी भी पता चली है, and I want to share it with you. Today, please promise me when you go back home, आप सोएं उससे पहले, say a prayer to whoever is up there that you believe in, and send all the prayers to our amazing brother here, our amazing support here, because his cancer he found out in January after 4 years. It's just started recurring again, and we're sure he's going to fight it again. He's fought it once, he's won the battle once, he's going to win it again. And this time, पूरा ही खत्म कर देना, खलास. But all of us, I know I will say a prayer for him tonight, so all of you do, please. Before I finish, so I must thank New India Assurance. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting us. It's great to have you with us as a support. All the support we can get is amazing. Thank you to all the wonderful donors who contributed for the voice boxes. Thank you to Vaibhav, who's doing this for the first time, but did it so confidently and so wonderfully. We have Tarun, who's been with us forever, but Vaibhav has come in to fill in for Tarun in the last minute and done such a great job. Thank you.
I'll be
Yes.
with CPA like you've been with CPA. I'm here for always.
How wonderful, Vaibhav. Thank you so much. Here's a small memento which we'll get Neetu to give you. And before we do, we're going to check. Are you single?
No.
Ladies, BOB bank, apart from whatever bank rate is doing, we have got a ladies, officers ladies, who are running an NGO. So we Sham Ka Roti come karke, they contribute to NGO. And that NGO has donated this year quite a little sum to CPA.
How wonderful. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much for all that support and help. Vaibhav? All the youth of the Navy, from the Naval Youth School, thank you so much for being here. You're looking fantastic in your bright uniforms and have done such a great job today. So thank you and a big salute. And I hope you grow up to be incredible officers serving our great country. Also want to thank all the people who made all the images. They are going to make a big difference, and we hope that those images really create an impact for so many people in their lives. Thank you so much. And of course, other heroes of today, our transgender friends who have come in today. आप लोगों ने पहले तो आप लोग बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं. ये खत्म होते ही मैं आपके साथ आके एक सेल्फी खिंचवाने वाला हूँ. इतनी ग्लैमरस लग रहे हैं आप लोग. But thank you so much. CPA has been doing incredible work. शायद आप जानते हैं, शायद नहीं जानते हो. But we've been doing some incredible work where we've been running different camps. So a few years ago we did a camp for BEST and we made BEST tobacco free. Then we did camps for all Mumbai police, and then we made a lot of police stations and Mumbai police tobacco free. We did for our junior artists in the film industry, we ran a camp for them absolutely free of cost and tried to, you know, get cancer screenings for them. A lot of things because they can't afford it. Some of them haven't worked in months and we don't realize how difficult it is for them too. You know, struggle keeps continuing. Unke liye bhi humne kiya. And this time we've had a camp for transgender people. And I think this is going to be the first and the biggest camp of its kind in the world, which will reach out to the maximum number of transgender people. And we just want to give you a big hug, big embrace. हमारी तरफ से बड़ी सी झप्पी आपको, and welcome to the CPA family. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Anita, Peter and team, I'm going to acknowledge all of you superheroes tomorrow's function. Okay? Thank you.
तुम लोग वो भेज देना इनको यार फोटोज. हाँ हाँ
हर साल आप आते हैं
जी.
हर साल आप ढेरों सारे लोग क्या एक होता है आपका जब इस तरह के आज के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे एक मंच पर प्रेजेंट होकर नो टोबैको
16 साल से ये जंग जारी है मेरे लिए कैंसर के खिलाफ, तंबाकू के खिलाफ और तंबाकू सेवन से जितने लोगों को नुकसान होता है उसके खिलाफ. मेरे हिसाब से करीबन अब तंबाकू के ब्रांड्स, गुटखा वगैरह के ब्रांड्स से पूरे करियर के दौरान पिछले 15-16 साल में कम से कम 15 से 20 करोड़ रुपए मैं ठुकरा चुका हूँ एज एन एम्बेसडर, एज ए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. मैंने कहा मुझे ये पैसे नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ऐसा पैसा जो लोगों की ज़िंदगी में तबाही मचाए वो पैसा मुझे नहीं चाहिए. तो बहुत सीरियस एक कमिटमेंट रहा है और अब देखता हूँ कि जो एक छोटी सी एफर्ट शुरू हुई थी आज बहुत बड़ी हो गई है. कल इतना बड़ा हम कॉन्सर्ट कर रहे हैं, 2000 लोग आएंगे, हमारे वॉलंटियर्स आएंगे. फरहान, नेहा बसीन, दिव्या कुमार सब हमारे लिए गा रही हैं कल. दे आर परफॉर्मिंग फॉर अस एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड ऐसे फंड रेजर्स हम पूरे साल करते हैं. एंड इससे पिछले 16 साल में हमने करीबन 2.5 लाख कैंसर पीड़ितों की मदद की है. खासकर बच्चे जो हिंदुस्तान के छोटे छोटे गाँव से आते हैं, किसानों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनके घर वाले बेचारे इतने त्रस्त हो जाते हैं पीड़ा देखकर बच्चों की. अपने घर का, अपने जेवर, अपनी ज़मीन, ये सब चीज़ें साहूकारों के पास में गिरवी रख के 4% 5% महीने के ऊपर बेचारे पैसे लेकर इलाज कराने आते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों की जब हम मदद करते हैं बिल्कुल निःशुल्क, 100% फ्री जब करते हैं, तब जो मज़ा आता है इस कॉज से जुड़ने का, जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन फील होती है कि हमने भी हमारी ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छा काम किया. और उनकी जो दुआएं मिलती हैं, वो दुआएं से जितनी खुशियां मिलती हैं वो अनगिनत हैं. जी, उसी के लिए शूटिंग करने भाग रहा हूँ मैं. उसी सुबह शूटिंग, हाँ सुबह, तो बिल्कुल सुबह की शूटिंग कर रहा था, फिर ये करके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस फिनिश करके फिर वापस भागूंगा और वापस शूटिंग करूँगा वहाँ पे. बहुत मज़ेदार बन रहा है शो, बहुत फिनोमिनल बन रहा है शो. बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं हम इसको लेकर. मुझे लगता है कि एक नए तरह का रूपांतरण है ये, न्यू काइंड ऑफ गैंगस्टर. ये मैंने प्ले नहीं किया इससे पहले इस टाइप का रोल. जब देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा क्या है.
See, life is very beautiful and very precious. और हमारे लिए बहुत important है that you respect life, and using or having tobacco or being on something which is totally opposite of what you can have and what you can do in life, live life, I think that's not fair. So no tobacco day ke din, I would like to request all of you seeing me, and you know, that please be away from this, because you have to live life for yourself, of course, and for your family who are waiting for you at home. Sab log ghar pe, they love you so much, and it is not fair on your part to do this to them, that finally, you know, with consuming tobacco you will find a way which will go to cancer. That is 90% sure. So aaj for Tobacco Day, I would like to again request the parents also to take care of their kids, because out of stress, out of depression, out of not trying to lose weight and not having the food, they always try to get onto something which you know, which gets them away from all these things. Today I would like to introduce Jack Brewer.
Hello, how are you?
Jack has a NGO in New York, and he's been working towards the youth, kids, and he's been ex-captain. He's an ex-captain of American football. He's a professor himself, and I'm really honored to associate and meet him in New York, because he is a cancer survivor, which is a strong thing in itself. As he said, that before the operation he was already surviving and all. So that's a sign of a great fighter and a strong man, which he is. He's coming in India as an entrepreneur, as a coming with the trading with the government today, and associating with CPA. And he himself promotes no tobacco, which is a fabulous thing and an inspiration for all of us. I'd like Jack to say something.
Yeah, it's an honor to be here. As Neetu said, being a survivor of cancer and struggling through that battle, you always have to stay positive. And the one thing about this entire country, I feel positivity. Coming from the U.S., you just feel the spirit of the Indian people. I really enjoy being here. I want to continue to come back. And on behalf of my organization in America, all the professional athletes that I help and represent, we just look forward to doing what we can to help these people and bridging the gap, and bringing folks together. Because I think there's a powerful message here, whether it's no tobacco, you're talking about the fight against cancer. This is a global fight. The same things that affect the people here in India affect folks all over the world. And so we have to come together as one human family and really be voices for the voiceless and continue to push people towards, living free of tobacco and fighting cancer. And like Neetu said, living for your families and living for others and making the society better. So just an honor to be here.
No project talking today, only no tobacco. No. Don't mix two things. Thank you so much. बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग आए, और please keep promoting this, taking this message ahead to the youth, to the society, to the children today, and the girls also who have actually picked up this habit in a big way. Guys, it's not cool to smoke. It's cool to not smoke.